Do you remember going to the toy store? Maybe Toys R Us, if you remember those. Or go to the swap meet. Just go to the toy store, period. And you're seeing all the toys. You're like, Mom, Dad, I want that one. I want this. Oh, the cars. Can I get this? Oh, dude, Hot Wheels. I remember having to beg for toys, right? We all did it. We all were there. That's what I feel like when I'm at Home Depot. That's what it feels like to me. Being in a toy store, just loving everything you're seeing, wanting everything that you're seeing. See that tool cart over there? That needs to be replaced. So, when I'm at Home Depot, the first thing I always go look at, the tool chests. I don't know about you, but that's the feeling that I get when I'm at Home Depot. I want to buy everything. I want to take everything home with me. I could spend hours at Home Depot just wandering around looking. What's up, Tire Garage TV? Yo, welcome back to the channel. This is the Tire Garage TV. Welcome back. My name is Pablo. I work, own, and live here at the Tire Garage. It's a little tire shop in Southern California. Basically, on this channel, we do anything car related. Anything I like to do, anything with cars. I own this shop, so I show you how it is to work on stuff. But I also like doing other stuff. Cruising, going to car shows, anything car related, I love to do. That's what I show you here. So hit that subscribe button and let's get to work. Let's get to work. So on this episode, I'm going to take you back a little bit. Last year, I made a trip out to Home Depot to buy some tools that I needed. My drill broke down, and I needed a new one. And I might as well have bought a couple other things. I'm going to take you back to that. Check this out. I was walking by here. Look how small that thing is. Look how short, stubby that thing is. This one, too. There's a drill. This one's 20 volts also. This one, same thing. And I was looking at it. Buy one of these, get this free. This is the Atomic Compact series. So these are the compact ones. But look at the price. It says new. $159 for the drill. $159 for the impact. $179 for the little bigger drill. $60 for the batteries, $230 if you're looking at the combo. I'm looking at this one. This one's sometimes you need a smaller drill. Extra $30 for something a little shorter. It's convincing me. $30 difference, and then it says 13% more power. Should I take it? I'm gonna take it. I got sold. Fuck it, it's mine. It's got the charger, got the bag, got the 2 batteries. Oh, by the way, if you buy it, you also get this free. Which is this one, right? Yeah. Alright. I'm sold. Get an extra battery. Take a look at this too. So all I need really is the drill, right? This is the Milwaukee M18. Comes with the drill and same thing, the impact. Or I can just buy this one. This one is $179, so I'll save myself $20. I'm torn. This one comes with the little bag too. Both M18, same amount of power, same all that. But anyways, I'm torn. I don't know what to do. I need that other one to work. I'm gonna go with the Dewalt, I think, for now, just because I have the battery set up already. And if it fucks up, then I'll return it right away. Hey, real quick, I'm gonna put my Instagram up here, and then I'm gonna put the shop Instagram up there. All right? I do a lot of stories, get a lot of messages, so I'm very active on social medias. Go find both of those up there on Instagram and go hit that follow button. All right? I appreciate you for that. Here's the new package, right? 2 devices, 2 tools. This is the current package, which this thing is a freaking beast. And this is the old package. This is the reason I'm returning. This is the reason I got this, because this piece of shit, it still spins, but it's got no power. It's weak. So something broke in it. I think I could still warranty this too, but I got to take it to the repair center, which I might do that and maybe leave this for home. We'll see. And here's the charger, right? This is the charger that I currently have, and that's why I stuck with DeWalt instead of going with the Milwaukee, because I've got the Milwaukee right here too. Take a look. This is for the M12. That other one had for the M18 and the M12. But I preferred to just, I don't know, I was torn. The price wasn't any better. This was $230 versus This one was 179. I might just end up switching back to this, but this thing is a beast though, so I absolutely need this charger here. This thing has been a beast. This thing has taken off nuts and bolts, and I use this every single day. So the fact that I'm going to keep this, I like. I don't, in fact, when I need to replace this, I might end up replacing it with a Dewalt, with the same one. I don't think I'm going to go for anything else. But this is the drill that let me down, to be honest. And honestly, I could take this to the repair center and get it fixed. I think it's free of charge. I might do that and just have this for the home use versus having it here at the shop. Because even here at the shop, I don't use the drill that often. I don't use the drill that much. But I do use the hell out of this one. This one I use every single day. This thing takes off wheels, nuts, bolts all the time. That one's a beast. But let's open this up. Let's see what comes in it. I have this bag already too, by the way. It's sitting, it was sitting over there. I don't know where it is. I definitely feel like I'm going to use this for sure. You know what I forgot? On the flyer right there at the store, it said that you get an extra free battery, and I didn't ask for it.
Oh, they only give you one battery. Oh no, 2 batteries. I like it.
Well, there you have it. Those are it. And look at the size difference between the two. So you usually get about 1.5 inch shorter. About 1.5 inch shorter than this drill. It's good that they keep the long handle. I like it. I can't complain. I do like it, but I want that extra battery. Then I need to go ask for it. So I got a total of 3 batteries, 4 tools. One of them is not operational though. And in fact, the battery that I had for this one, which is this one,
doesn't work anymore. See? Doesn't work.
Trash pretty much. I better be sure I want to keep this little drill because I'm gonna get it full of oil. Look at this thing, already dripping. So let's see how it works. So let's get to work.
What's up with that? Grip it, bitch. Okay, there we go.
So that video was created, that I recorded, I want to say about 6 months ago. Actually longer than that. About 8 months ago, close to a year ago. And I'll give you a little update on how the tools are doing. So here they are, the 3 amigos, right? This thing, still a beast. It's still a beast. This thing knocks off. I mean, I use this every day. It's a tire shop here, so I take wheels off all the time. This thing has taken off a lot of wheels, and I use this every single day. When this goes out, I will probably buy this again. So no regrets here. Okay, it's a big beast. It's comfortable. It is heavy, but it is comfortable to use. I expect it to be heavy, right? Let me skip this one for now, but let's go over the little impact. The little impact I haven't used much, to be honest, but I do see the benefits in having it. I do see how it can be a lot faster. I have used it and been able to do things faster by not having to switch drills and drill bits. I just pop in the socket, you know, at night. Look at the light. If it's dark you're working under a car. Right now it's daylight, but look under there. See how dark it could be under there? With this thing, it just lights it up, right? That's perfect. That's what you want. So no regrets here either. I would definitely recommend this. I would definitely use this. And even if you don't own a shop, if you don't run a shop, I would still, something like this is definitely something that you still use at home a lot. Because instead of having a screwdriver, you use this thing and you can get things done a lot faster. You're not going to break anything because you can, you do it. You pull the trigger softly, and it turns it slow. So it's definitely a tool that I would still recommend. I would still keep. Now the drill. This is one that I have my doubts with. If I do, when I do get the chance to buy another drill, and I do need another drill, I'm going to give Milwaukee a shot when it comes to this, because I was a little let down with this one because I don't feel like it has the power. You saw me drilling on that Toyota Highlander job where I was actually doing a repair for their the oil drain plug became loose. Somebody over tightened it, and it became loose to where it was dripping. Well, it would get stuck. It didn't have the power that I feel like it should have. And that sucks because I do like Dewalt and I do like the drills. I don't think I've ever had an issue with it except for the last two that I've got. Maybe their quality is diminishing. I hope not. But I'm going to give Milwaukee a shot when it comes to a drill, when it comes to me needing another drill. In terms of the drill, I would rather go with the Milwaukee. At least give Milwaukee a shot because I've never had a Milwaukee drill. So I would skip on this one. This one, though, a total beast. This one is a mini beast. So there you go. I mean, that's my take on it. It's up to you what you decide. For a DIY, honestly, a drill like this, you can't go wrong with it. An impact like this, can't go wrong with it. An impact driver is probably not a necessity for a DIY, but if you got the money to spend for it, this thing was, I think it was like $250. So there's my 2 cents. Thanks for watching. So we'll stop the video here, cut it short, and thanks for watching. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for watching the Tire Garage TV. I appreciate your help. Let me in the comments down below. What do you think? What do you think? Milwaukee over Dewalt, over Matco, over Snap-on? What do you have? What's worked the best for you? How do you think they compare to the Dewalt? Those brands all have their own impact drivers and all that stuff too. Yo, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. You know the saying. Let's get to work. Let's get to work.